Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn Physics Better with Blessing. In my last video, I said I'm going to be treating another aspect of motion, which is terms used in motion. And today I'm going to be kicking it off with speed. Don't get it twisted. I'm going to be teaching speed today. When observing a body moving over a distance, we'll observe the distance the body is covering and also the time the body used to cover that distance. The change in distance with time, or the rate at which a body covers a distance, is called speed. Mathematically, speed is equals to distance over time. So mathematically, speed is equals to distance over time. And distance is denoted with s. That is, s denotes distance. Time is denoted with t. That is, time denotes t denotes time. And also speed is denoted with v. That is, v denotes speed. For some students that don't really understand the word denote simply means represent. That is, anywhere you see s, just know that they're talking about distance. And anywhere you see t, know they're talking about time. And anywhere you see v, know they're talking about speed. Now we are going to impute the letters. That is, letters that denote distance, time, and speed. We're going to impute it now. So v denotes speed. So v equals s denotes distance, s, and time over t. So you can also say speed formula like this. So if you don't see it as distance over time, you can also see it as s over t. Just know that s represents distance and t represents time. Distance is measured in meters. That is, the SI unit for distance is meters. And time is measured in seconds. That is, the SI unit for time is seconds. We are trying to derive the SI unit now. SI unit for speed. So with this, just like denotes of s denotes distance and time, t denotes time. So this is actually different. Meters is denoted with m, and seconds is denoted with s. So therefore, the SI unit of speed of speed is meter per second, or is meter per seconds. I know some of you now are not confused. Before I wrote v is equals to s over t, and now I'm saying speed is still equals to m over s. They don't understand. Now let me break it down. It's normally used in formulas. That is, instead of them to write speed is equals to distance in full over time, some teachers will just go straight to say v is equals to s over t. So I'm trying to let you know that you can either see speed is equals to distance over time in full, that is in words, or you can see it in letters. that is v is equals to s over t. So whenever you see v, you know they're talking about speed, and whenever you see s, you know they're talking about distance, and whenever you see time, t rather, you know they're talking about time. Now back to m over s. This is actually talking about SI units, that is, what is distance measured in and what is time measured in. So distance is measured in meters, and that meters is denoted with s, that is denoted with m, that is, m can actually represent meters. And t is measured in seconds, time is measured in seconds, and seconds denotes, s can denote seconds. So whenever you see s, you know it's seconds. So now the end note of it is SI units of speed is meter per seconds. Now you know I'm saying it meter per seconds, I'm saying it out, but when you're writing it, like if you solve and you get your answer, you want to write it, you cannot go and start writing meter in full per seconds. Sure, you get, you cannot write meter per seconds in full. So the better way, or the best way rather, is to write it in letters. That's why SI unit is very, very important. So you write it in letters: meter, m, per, this is used to represent per, seconds, s. So this is how we got the SI unit for speed, which is meter per seconds. Go a bit further in terms of units. Please don't be scared already. This aspect is actually very simple when you pay attention and try and get all information you can. Now the other division of units, that is in distance and time. Okay, let me write it back. Speed equals distance over time. Okay, now apart from meters, the another SI unit or another unit of distance is also kilometers. And another unit of time is hour, or hours rather, hours. So now we can get the another SI unit of speed using kilometers and hours. So now we all know kilometers is denoted with km and the hours hr. So now speed, we get the SI unit now. Speed is kilometers per hour. So you can actually see speed, you can actually see the SI unit of speed in this way: kilometer per hour. I know a lot of you be hearing that kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. Or you can see it in meter per seconds. So in all of this, SI unit of speed is meter per seconds. This is kilometer per hour. Okay guys, I hope with this now you've been able to see how the SI units of speed are derived. So speed is actually a derived unit, that is, the SI unit is actually derived. Okay, that's all about SI units of speed. Everybody covers equal distance at equal time. No matter how small the time difference is, that speed is called uniform speed or constant speed. That is, if a distance is covered, like 100 meters distance is covered at 5.5 seconds, and that same body covered that 100 meters at 5.4 seconds. You see, the time difference is small. The time difference is small. That is what uniform speed is all about. So in my next video, I'm going to be teaching another terms used in motion, which is displacement. Please subscribe, turn on your notification button, because displacement is going to be very, very interesting. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.